When I think of Pulsar, it's hunting, of course.
Quality, low latency.
Freedom, wildlife, family, fun.
There's a good group of shooters here from all around the world.
I'm really excited, really positive to be here. Well, excited is the one word, but it's so nice to come back and see everyone. And we'll get looked after really well, so yeah, really grateful to be here.
It's always super fun to get together, it's very generous, and it kind of becomes like a second family when you're away like this.